Welcome to Java Express channel. So in the previous video, I explained about @post mapping and @put mapping. So today we'll develop get mapping API. Okay. So before going to develop what is a get mapping, okay, just it is very as much as very simple, guys. Just if you want to fetch a data from the server, assume that we created some 10 employee objects from the Postman, right? So all data is available inside your database. Okay, let me open my SQL workbench. Okay, these two records I created in my previous videos. Okay, as part of the post mapping, as part of the put mapping. Now I want to fetch all the employee records. Okay, how you need to fetch? If you want to fetch some data, you need to use get mapping annotation. This is mapped to HTTP GET request on specific URL handler method. Some URL you need to provide the get mapping. The old way of writing, just instead of the request method dot, just you need to provide get method and you need to provide this annotation. Any annotation is fine. This is a shortcut you can use. You don't need to worry about the whole thing. Okay, just you need to use the get mapping. Now quickly we'll develop the API. Now try to see. These two methods I developed in the previous tutorial. Okay, now let me write the program. Now try to see. First, public void. What you want to method name, you can give anything. Just I'm giving get all employees. Just I want to fetch the data. I don't want to provide any condition. Just I want to retrieve full data. Okay, now you need to provide your get mapping annotation get mapping. Okay, and here you can provide slash employees. Okay, try to keep it as a unique same name. Okay, same URL for every request. Just you need to change your annotation. Future, if you want another post request, just you need to change the URL. That's it. Now for the get mapping, this get method relates to I need to fetch your employee details. Okay, now try to see, guys. Here employee service IMPL dot, you need to fetch the details, right? You can say fetch all employees. You can provide any name, no problem. Just that's it. This step is completed. Now just go and create the method. Now your method is created here. Now you have a repository, right? Employee repository. You can see dot. If you see here get, there is no method. You can say find all method. One find all method. See, just find, it will return all employees. The return type is a list of employees. Now you can take as a list of employees, just you can return your values. Now see, list of employee and you can say ls. Now here this is the list, just you need to import as part of the util java.util. Just you need to return your list value. That's it, your job is completed. Now it is throwing an exception, hey, go and change your return type. Now you need to change your return type as of list of employees here. Now try to see, now your object is complete, your development is completed. This is the way of fetching. Now future, if you want to fetch based on some name, based on some ID, we can fetch. As a beginner for you, this is very simple. Okay, now you are fetching your employee details. Same employee details I want to return for my controller. Either you can create one more variable, instead of you can use return. That's it. And just you can change your return type here. Just go and change your list of employees. Now your job is completed. Now you are writing something, means your server is keep on restarting. Okay, because of the dev tools. Now it is running on 8080 port number. Just let me open my Postman collection. Okay, now just copy here and paste it. You don't need to worry any employee details. Okay, this is your URL. Now you need to provide the get request. Click submit. See, are you able to see now? You are able to fetch all employee details. Now let me create another object here. You can say there is a Ramesh to upset to. Let me given as a 5. You can provide some 1 2 3 4. I'm giving, just submit. Post request is done. Whether really it is working or not, you can send request. See, 3 employee details. Now you want to change your third record. Now what you can do, you can go for, okay, here 3 here, just you can change to here none, just some name I'm given, just send. Now go and check here, just you can fetch the data, see 3 record nani is updated. Okay, I hope you guys are clear how you can use the get mapping. Okay, now if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. In our platform we are providing lot of videos guys, just you can go through like AWS, DevOps and Git, and we are providing Java videos, recording Java 8 recording sessions, everything we are providing. Just go ahead and enjoy the videos. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next tutorial.